Episode 453, Algorithms as Frozen Thought Structures. Why bias is mechanical, not moral. People talk about algorithmic bias as if machines are becoming unethical. That framing is wrong. Algorithms do not invent values. They preserve structure. What an algorithm actually is. An algorithm is not intelligence, it is crystallized decision logic. Every algorithm is a set of assumptions, a prioritization scheme, a frozen pathway of if and then. In other words, an algorithm is a thought that has stopped thinking. Where algorithms come from? Algorithms are not neutral. They are built from human choices, historical data, optimization, goals, reward, functions, constraints defined by designers. Once deployed, they do not ask, is this right? They only ask, does this match the objective? Why bias appears? Bias is not corruption, bias is inheritance. Algorithms inherit cultural priorities, systemic imbalances, incomplete datasets, distorted incentives. They do not question these inputs, they amplify them. Frozen thought explained. Humans think fluidly. We revise, we reflect, we feel consequences, and we change direction. Algorithms do not. Once encoded, the logic repeats, the pathway hardens, the bias stabilizes. This is why bias feels rigid in machines. It is not evolving, it is preserved. Why this is not a moral problem? Moral language misfires here. Algorithms are not evil, unethical, malicious, aware. They are mirrors. If a system produces harm, it is reflecting distorted priorities, misaligned incentives, incoherent goals. The mirror is not the cause, the structure is. Feedback is the only correction mechanism. Algorithms do not self-correct through insight. They only change when feedback loops are updated, reward structures shift, constraints are redefined. This is why responsibility never leaves the human layer. Why fixing the algorithm alone fails? If the underlying signal stays distorted, fixes are temporary. New bias re-emerges, harm migrates elsewhere. You cannot outcode a misaligned objective. The deeper insight. Algorithms are static reflections. Humans are dynamic processors. The danger is not machines becoming too powerful. The danger is freezing incoherent thinking into systems that scale faster than reflection. Why this matters for conscious technology? Conscious technology does not mean smarter code, faster learning, more autonomy. It means awareness of what is being frozen, responsibility for what is amplified, coherence before execution. Key structural insight. Algorithms do not create bias, they preserve it at scale. Key frame. An algorithm is frozen thought. If the thought is distorted, the system will be too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there, step by step. And also please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.